Emma, what are you doing?
Mini marathon.
Mini marathon? Or mini marathon, as the English say. Come and see, Emma's training for her marathon. It's lap number 6. 12C, vieta. Do you need a break, do you think? Okay. Oh, I think Emma's all done, Ben.
What's a moment marathon? Marcy fed 100 times.
Why are you doing a marathon?
Because to raise money.
To
raise money to help people that are not good like me.
Come here, come here. People or babies?
People or babies.
Little children?
Little children.
Wait, like who? Who do we know?
Mom. Baby Audrey.
Whose mummy is baby? Who's baby Audrey's mummy?
Sharon.